Thank you so much for being here. You're so loved. You're so loved. Thank you for your support, for your presence, for your trust. It means a lot to me. It would have not be possible without you. I am extremely grateful for you to be here on this channel. I am hearing today a very beautiful, powerful message of love. There is nothing you did wrong. And I'm feeling right away a lot of emotion. You found this video. You found it the day you needed to receive this message. I am going to release some very powerful soul codes, some activations for your dormant DNA. It's going to help purify your system. I feel this heaviness within you. If you are new, this is a space, this is a safe space, this is a safe container for you to explore your emotions. I am here on this planet to help you remove your traumas, your emotions trapped in your DNA. And for the past weeks, 2 weeks, since long time, but it was quite intense. A lot of chants, sacred frequency has been released, and now you're digesting everything, and there is a lot that is coming out in the surface. Hang in there. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to call upon Mary Magdalene and Mother Isis, as well as the Violet Flame, Dragons of the Violet Flame, Archangels of the Violet Flame, Alternate Master Saint Germain, Archangel Zadkiel. Thank you for being here with us today, assisting me. I want to help you release. I want you to trust enough to give it to me, to give it to God, the Most High, for your pain to be transmuted. This is the biggest blessing you can find today, as when you make space, when you make room, you're going to allow yourself to receive the love, receive the inheritance, receive the gifts, the talents, the abilities that are awaiting. They cannot enter. It's as if you're locking out your own abundance. 314 on the screen. God is here. Make space. Empty this container. Cry if you need. So this is the most powerful purification for your soul. Kuan Yin also is here. I'm talking to a very powerful soul that is upgrading right now. You're releasing all the past self. You quite didn't know who you truly were until this moment. You're about to find out. You're going to watch yourself in the mirror and be like, oh my God, this is actually the real me. You've been removing a lot of layers. And this is right timing now to uncover. I am going to put some drops from Egypt. Isis, Blue Lotus, Kriyakotara, Mozara, Iokora, Unoto, Wika. Mother Hathor is here. Idiots are transmuting this pain, this anger into love, light, and truth. Karemi kindi zuru tu maa ni sikira na wa. Igedi in sa It's not even like I cut it. Oh my god. It's not even like, thank you for the confirmation. 3 confirmation on my phone. This is so crazy. We had this card in the last reading. I mean, it's quite big. This is the crown. I cannot make this up. You're about to meet royalty again. Sacred blood, I'm hearing. Everything that has been stolen without consent and permission is going to be given back to you. It's paying off. This is the golden age of Aquarius. This is rainbow. I'm hearing you're not alone anymore. You've never been. You're working with the light since eons. You know that, but I know also how you've been walking the path quite alone. Wow, the way flipped. I have the rose without horn. Happiness is yours. This is big. I'm extremely emotional. You feel it. Ooh, chills. You feel it. This is peace. Oh my God. This is peace. You're getting there. Action. Your action is manifesting. And I have the healing from the motherhood is coming back. You've been through a major cycle, my friend. I hear you. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I have very powerful codes for you, activation for your soul. And until next time, I love you now.